Did he come?
I think he did.
You think? Or did he?
He did.
He did?
Yeah.
Did he eat your treats? Did he eat the snacks?
Oh! He gave me it back.
What does it say? Let's see. Savannah, thank you for the cupcakes and juice. It tasted delightful. Enjoy your presents. Love, Santa.
Look, Santa's holding you.
Oh my gosh, what'd you get, Dev?
He got one of these.
You got trucks.
What's that?
Yeah.
Now you get something else to play with.
Okay, Savannah, open up one of your presents.
Is this one right?
Yep, that one's yours.
What's yours? Then I got you. Look on the front.
Okay, hold on. Wow, these are some pretty pictures. Even if it says Merry
Wow,
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And this.
Whoa. Thank you, Savannah. That was...
There else is something in there. You get this to me if you want a big hug.
Oh, one big hug. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Savannah.
Welcome.
One big hug.
What is it?
Baby live doll.
Is that what you wanted?
No, but I still like it.
I thought
Why?
that's what she wanted.
She wanted the one that... The other one, huh? The one, that one eats. It's got the sippy cup.
Well,
You put food in it.
Oh! Yay!
It's just the doctor one.
Ooh, yay. Come.
Did you see those bracelets? Those bracelets were for Devin.
Oh,
Devin, who you calling? Oh, what are you doing? Yep, that one's yours too. What one is it? I think there's a giraffe in there. Is that what I see?
I think that's a zebra, a cat, and a giraffe.
Cool.
Mine.
Go with your toys.
What are all those books for, do you think?
We have 1, 2, 3.
What kind of books are they? Ooh.
Bell. Tinkerbell. I like anything that starts with a bow.
Yeah.
But no.
What do you think that they're used for? Are you going to be able to read them?
Well, I guess I can. But maybe one of these is a leapfrog.
Maybe. I don't know.
Huh? Start all over again.
I think it might be taped.
Oh yeah, it is.
Say, Daddy, I like that crinkly paper. Do you need help, Savannah? Devin can open up his sack. His sack's right there. That's from Grandma.
Grandma? These ones come from Grandma?
Nope, that one's from Santa.
Santa?
Devin's is from Grandma.
I knew it was close.
Who's that from?
That's from Santa.
Oh,
I don't like it. Oh. I knew.
Who's that one from?
I don't know.
Let's read it.
You.
Nope. I think that's from Emily and Hiram. Can you read what the paper says?
I don't know. No, I don't know it.
That's from Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland.
Awesome, a new purse.
Look at this.
wow.
Ooh, some more books.
Who's that from?
Alice in Wonderland. Ooh, Fancy Nancy, Savannah. Fancy Nancy's your favorite.
Yeah, he is.
I had this book when I was a kid.
Really? What is it called?
Frog and Toad are friends.
You did?
Yeah, I had this book when I was a kid.
That's awesome. Actually, I think I might have had it too.
Do you want to read it to me at night?
Sure.
Yay! Well, he gave us too much stuff.